If you've been thinking about starting your cleaning business for more than 3 months, 6 months, oh goodness, 9 months plus, this video is absolutely for you because I'm going to talk about a trap door that I see time in and time again people are falling into, myself included, falling into this trap, and almost 10 times out of 10, you don't even realize that you're in the trap. Like, what's actually stopping us? See, if you ask that question internally, you're going to get plenty of answers. Right? We're gonna dive into that today, and I'm going to give you a clear way to look at this because I think what's needed here is a reframe to see what's actually going on, why you haven't started, and how you could actually get started in a simple way. All right. No edits on this video. I don't think you need it. Talking to adults here. This type of video where I'm like, okay, like let's cut to it. So this is actually inspired by a client I was working with for the last like 30 days. Excellent. He's going to do amazing. But the first 3 weeks, he was getting a clear outline of what he needed to handle, all within that hour a day time frame. And week in, week out, he would, the coaches would reach out, my team would reach out and say, hey, did you get these things done? What can we help you with? And he's like, oh, instead of responding to that directly, he would go on to talk about, he would go on and ask like 15 to 20 imaginary questions, legitimately imaginary questions. And the team would handle that because, again, in the beginning stages, you're just going to be like, well, I don't know this, I don't know that. I want to have a little bit more clarity. So that's always welcomed. But the problem is when it gets in the way. See, with this guy, let's call him Bob. It's not his name. For Bob, after like 2 or 3 weeks of doing this, we realized like, okay, Bob is trying to figure out how to get to the other side of the chasm, right? Let's say on one side of a mountain you're on. That's where you currently are. It's your current life, your current income, everything, right? And then on the other side of that, there is where you want to be, right? There is the income that's mostly passive, right? There's an asset that's helping you own more of your calendar, give you more freedom, give you more security in the event that your company decides, AI is going to do all this. So getting over here, right? Now, the way we get there is going to be with that cleaning business, right? So let's say there's 100 steps to get from here to here with your cleaning business. Bob was asking questions about, like Bob didn't take a first step, right? Bob was sitting there at step 0 saying, sitting there thinking like, okay, I'll get what I need to get done so I can get to step 10. But Bob's sitting here thinking about, what about step 23? What happens at step 46 if a cleaner quits? What happens at step 52 if, I accidentally underbid my account? What happens at step 76 and so on and so on? What if a cleaner quits on me? What if this? What if that? What if that? And because of that, Bob was stuck, right? And now, for most folks, that in my experience, it's like, well, no, listen, Mike, I appreciate I know I've been sitting for 4 months, but I've had a lot going on, and I'm pretty analytical. I really like to grasp stuff, and I'm like, look, I get that, and just like I told Bob, you are trying to figure out this entire game before you take a step. That's what's going on, and I know that because that's who I am, and I'm seeing it. And when you see something you struggled with in other people, you're just like, no, I can help you with this easily. Bob, you're trying to understand the whole game. You're trying to have a deep understanding of what step 76 is going to be like when you're still at step 1. That's the whole thing. And here's the truth. There is no understanding step 76. Not when you're at step 1. But let me tell you this. Even if you're a complete beginner, here's what I can say with full confidence. On your way through that tightrope, right? When you're walking, you're 1 foot in front of the next. When your focus is there, you are much, much more likely to make it across to the other side to your goals when you are focused and you're taking steps, right? And on the way to step 76, to a step 100, meaning on the way to that imaginary problem at step 76, let's say, on the way there, you're going to be preparing yourself for those future, let's say, curveballs that any business can throw at you. So those step 45, 46, 47, it prepares you for those later steps. I guess said differently, this desire to know everything before moving is just fear. And the reason why I want to diminish that fear, and not the fact that you feel it, that's real. But I want to make this monster, this dragon, like a little lizard, like a little happy lizard. And the reason why I want to do that is because until you realize that there is no full understanding of the game, that you really just have to put one foot in front of the other, and then have your heart set that you are going to cross the chasm. You're not gonna fall. And if you keep walking forward one foot in front of the next, you're gonna get there. 100%. There's no instance where you're like, well, this is going to help me. Like step 76 is not going to help you with step 1. Step 1 is going to help you with step 1. And step 1 also helps you with step 2, and 2 and 3, 3 and 4. I am beating to death this analogy, but I believe it's a good one. I believe it's a strong one. So the purpose of this is if you're having paralysis of analysis. So what this may look like is you're watching a ton of different videos. Maybe you're watching some videos from me, you're watching videos from other creators, and maybe you're set on cleaning business, or maybe you're zoomed out a little bit and you're thinking, well, I like cleaning, but I could maybe landscaping, maybe I'll do this, maybe I'll do that. I'm telling you right now, if you're waiting for like the perfect solution, it doesn't exist. That's one thing I had to learn. One of many things. It doesn't exist. Look at this business or look at any business the same way. It's what's going to give me the better odds of crossing the chasm. I would bet all types of money that for most people, it's going to be commercial cleaning. Why? Especially my model, the Mike Mack way. Less clients, pay more money. 5 yeses, freedom. You know why 5 yeses to freedom is powerful? Because it's just a few steps, right? Over the course of the next 4 to 6 months, let's get a yes next month. Let's get a yes the month after. Let's get a yes the month after that. And every time you do, you're one major step closer to your goals. That's why you're much more likely to succeed with a model that is simpler. So I know I'm not naive to think I can completely take away your fear and then you're all going to go out there and crush it and make loads of money with your cleaning service. That is my desire, and I hope that does happen. And more than anything, I want you moving because you got 2 people. You have 2 people who look to start a business. You have person A and you have Bob, or maybe you, if you're watching a video to this point, right? I would have been this person as well. You have Bob looks at not Bob, let's say Stan. Stan looks at the cleaning business and he's like, oh, this is amazing. I'm going to make $1 million. This is going to be incredible. I'm going to knock this thing out of the park, right? And so Stan does, meaning Stan starts. And then Stan learns it's not as easy as you thought, but it's okay. You're still going to figure it out. So Stan keeps going. Bob, or maybe you, if you're on this side of things, you're like, I want to start the cleaning business, but I don't know. What if a cleaner calls out? What if something happens? What if I look stupid? What if they know I'm new? I don't know if I can handle a high ticket account. I've never cleaned before. I don't know this. I don't know that. And so this person never starts. So Bob never starts. Stan starts. Who do you think is more likely, just statistically, who's more likely to succeed? The person who starts or the person who doesn't? Obviously, if that's all we had to go off of, like if that's the only data point we have, well, then we would obviously have to conclude that Stan he's more likely to succeed because at least he took the shot. And just like that, I'm telling you, the fact that you have these fears is a blessing. The fact that you're thinking the way you're thinking is a blessing, providing you start. If you don't start, it's not a blessing, it's a curse. But you have the ability for this to be a blessing because you're thinking the right way. But you're diluting yourself if you think that, in 3 months from now, I'm not going to be busy anymore. It's like, no, the fears that you have now, the engagements that are occupying calendar now, they're most likely going to be there but different. There's going to be different engagements, different things that could occupy you, or different fears that are going to occupy your time and attention in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. It's better to go right now. It's better to say to yourself right now, like this video when you look down, like this video, leave a comment, let me know. But say to yourself, okay, this week, I'm just gonna take the first step. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter how big or small it is. It doesn't matter. Take the first step, even if you think it's insignificant. Take the first step this week. And for a lot of people, that's maybe dialing in your name. Maybe that is thinking about who you want to target, what kind of offices you want to target. Or for some people, it's like, you know what? I don't even want to kid myself. I want the help. I want the expert help. If that's a desire to you, my team and I will help you through this process every step of the way. Think of that tightrope. On one hand, you could just be walking through it by just balancing. On the other hand, just imagine us on both sides of you. We're walking a clear plank, and we're holding you. We're holding hands every step of the way. That's the analogy I like to give there. If that sounds interesting to you, click the first link in the description, book a call, talk with my team. If you're not ready and you're just like, no, Mike, I'm there, but I still need to wrap my mind just around a little bit more, watch this video right here. It is going to give you a breakthrough that I think you really need.